Do you know these 10 songs? Each one is older than the last. If you know the last one, you must be 50 plus years old.
I didn't wanna leave you.
Second song.
In this world, it's just
Third one.
Light it up like dynamite.
Like the video if you knew the first three. Fourth song. Fifth one.
And you're gonna hear me roar.
Sixth song.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Share this video to a friend that loves music. Seventh one. Song number 8. Ninth one. Before the last one, don't forget to tell me if you knew them all in the comment.